Hi everyone, my name is Sinavi. Today I am explaining about preparation, properties and applications of backlight. Now we are going to the introduction. Backlight is a thermosetting polymer formed from phenol and formaldehyde. The backlight other name is phenol formaldehyde. Raw materials used for preparation of backlight: phenol C6H5OH, formaldehyde HCHO, catalyst acid or base, fillers. Reaction overview. Backlight is produced through condensation polymerization with water elimination. A simple molecule water is eliminated in the process of this preparation of backlight. The pure backlight structure is in the 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. 1:1 ratio is an Novolac structure. Reaction electrophilic attack. Phenol reacts with formaldehyde C6H5OH plus HCHO use raised to OH bond C6H4 bond CH2OH forms hydroxyl methyl phenol. Reaction to ortho and para substitution. Phenol activates ortho and para substitutions. C6H5OH plus HCHO gives rise to CH2OH bond C6H4 bond OH, which is a para position, attacks at para position. C6H5OH plus HCHO gives rise to OH bond C6H4 bond CH2OH. In this ortho position, the CH phenol the aldehyde attack on the ortho position. Formation of di-substituted phenols. OH bond C6H3OH bond CH2OH taken twice. Multi substitution on the ring. On the ring there are multi substitutions. Reaction 4. Condensation step. Hydroxymethyl phenols condense. OH bond C6H4 bond CH2OH plus C6H5OH gives rise to CH4OH bond CH2 bond CH4OH plus H2O water molecule eliminated. Formation of methylene bridges. Bond CH2 bond bridges form. OH bond CH4 bond CH2OH gives rise to CH4 bond CH2 bond CH4 bond plus H2O. The water molecule is eliminated. A simple molecule water is eliminated in this reaction. Reaction ether link formation. Two CH2OH groups react where H1 OH bond CH2 bond C6H4 bond OH plus OH bond CH2 bond CH4 bond OH gives rise to C6H4 bond CH2 bond O bond CH2 bond CH4 plus H2O. Here also a H2O molecule is eliminated. Resolve formation. Base catalyst resolve self curing contains methanol groups bond CH2OH. Novolac formation. We startingly we discussed about Novolac. Novolac is a 1:1 ratio compound. Means it is a partially backlight solution. The backlight solution, the formed backlight completely alright and fully bonded. The full structure is 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. Novolac formation. Now we are discussing acid catalyst. Novolac needs curing agent. Low free formaldehyde. Cross-linking reaction. Novolac plus hexamethylene triamine cross-linked polymer plus ammonia. The now backlight is a polymer which is a palo setting material. Final curing reaction. C6H4 bond CH2OH groups link to form bond C6H4 bond CH2 bond CH4 bond CH2 bond CH4 bond CH4 bond. It is a 3D network which is an backlight, pure backlight. Thermosetting nature. Once a cross-link structure is irreversible, means once it is formed, the reaction is irreversible. Thermosetting nature. Thermosetting is an now backlight is under the thermosetting material. There is also a thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is reusable material, means the iron, which is bent into a circle and bent into a straight. It is a reversible, but thermosetting materials are irreversible. Mean backlight, example backlight, nylon. Oh, nylon are divided into nylon 6, nylon 6 comma nylon 6 comma 10. These nylon also a thermosetting material. The backlight also a thermosetting material which is an irreversible. If it is broken, the it cannot be set into a one shape. Polymer structure summary: highly cross-linked aromatic rings interconnected by methylene bridges. Properties: heat resistant, rigid, and means the properties of backlight. They have high heat resistant. They are very strong material, electrical insulator, and chemical resistant. Means the properties of the backlight is a heat resistant and a very unbreakable material. Means it is a very strong material compared to thermoplastic. Electrical insulator, which is an electrical insulator which do not pass electricity. Chemical resistant means the chemical also be passed into these materials. Applications of backlight. Applications: switches, sockets, handles, automotive parts, radios. Means backlight is used in switches which we are using in house, buildings, schools, hospitals, etc., and sockets which are above the switch and switch sockets, which backlight is used in switch sockets, and handles and automotive parts. Backlight is also used in automotive widely, and radios. Limitations: not recyclable, brittle, cannot be remelted. Means they are not recyclable. Means they are not convert into firstly material. Means the backlight, if you convert backlight into a shape, the shape cannot be recyclable. Means they cannot recycle into first part, cannot be remelted. Means they cannot be melted, they are directly breakable. Conclusion: backlight's chemical reactions form a rigid polymer that revolutionized plastics. Backlight chemical reactions form a rigid polymer, means a strong polymer which is unbreakable, that revolutionized plastics. Most of the plastics, the backlight revenues more plastic. Means if backlight, which is a per thermosetting material, is not available, then we need to use plastics as a sockets, switches, etc. So backlight revenues most of the plastics. And there are some more properties for backlight. Some more properties: they are unbreakable, means they are not breakable in the uh, high temperature and high melting point, which is a property of backlight. Nylon also a thermosetting material, we need to discuss in future classes. Nylon 6, nylon 6 comma 6, nylon 6 comma 10. These are the backlight is formed on the condensation polymerization, which is an elimination of uh, simple molecule H2O. The firstly we need to discuss about polymerization. So I will discuss now. Polymerization is a process where the monomers combine to form a polymer material, which is examples are backlight, nylon, plastic, thermoplastic, etc. PVC pipes, which is under thermoplastics. The conclusion is all about the thermosettings and thermoplastic difference. The thermoplastic is a reusable material, but thermosetting is a non-reusable material. The thermoplastic can be recyclable, and they convert can convert into any part which we like, but the thermosetting material cannot be converted into other part when we are converted into one part. So I need to end up this session with the conclusion I concluded. So thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you. Oh, sorry. The backlight is a also called a phenol, which is a compound of phenol. Thank you.